Right now, I'm going to take a look inside the box of a Hunter NODE2KIT and see what you get inside. You're watching Sunshower TV. So we have our Hunter NODE2KIT right here. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so there's a bit here. We've got our coils, DC latching coils. They're the ones that go with battery operated timers, as the Hunter Node is. Now we've got our two solenoid valves, so I'll go together there. Show you the coil. That will screw onto the solenoid valve right here. And then we have our cable joiners that will connect between the coil and the unit. We have our manifold fitting, which will help us connect our solenoid valves. And then inside here we have our Node 200 controller, which is the model that controls 2 irrigation zones. In here we have our Node controller. There's the panel, all your buttons. We unscrew here. This is the place where you put your battery, optional 2 batteries. There's also wires here for you to optionally connect a rain sensor. So there you go, your Node 200 2-zone kit. And that's it. Links to all the products are in the description below, and if you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.